Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in this video, I am showing you my favorite van life Walmart finds. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to show you is this really dope table I got from Walmart. And you can get it on Amazon too. This little table is perfect for pretty much everything. $25. It's aluminum. Ta-da! Pretty perfect. Definitely snag one. All right, friends, so the next thing I want to show you is this really cool collapsible sink. So you can purchase this on Amazon too. It runs anywhere from $12 to $14. I think it's actually a little cheaper at Walmart, but it's fully collapsible. Just using my band to uncollapse it. Probably shouldn't, but that's okay. Ta-da! It has handles, which I really like. And then of course the little drain that just unscrews. So this is a pretty cool sink. Bam. And, you know, while we're at it, I'll show you guys this too. So this is the other thing from Walmart that I highly recommend, this toilet seat for the 5-gallon bucket. You can purchase this on Amazon as well, but this is from Walmart, Ozark Trails. I think it runs $11. And, you know, I might as well show you my last thing. My llama chair. These chairs, $10, but sometimes you can get them for $7. This llama chair has lasted me a year. And it's just one of those basic, you know, camping chairs that folds up. This has lasted me a year. Yay! So over here we have the table, or the chair, the table, the sink, and the toilet top. Cool. And last but certainly not least on my list is this set of drawers in particular. Now, I did get both drawer sets at Walmart, but I really like this one because it has this edge in the top, so it's really great as like counter space. It fits perfectly in the back, and then it has all three really secure drawers that close tightly in there. So both drawer sets are from Walmart. You can find a plethora of storage solutions at Walmart. So that is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, seeing all of the things that we've bought from Walmart. And then if you didn't get my Amazon list, be sure to check out my top product finds from Amazon, and Winston and I will see you on our next adventure.